Hey dear, please take this one. I have no money to buy flowers. I really love you. Please take this. Please take this. I have no money.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
ഹലോ ഫ്രണ്ട്സ്, വെൽക്കം ബാക്ക് ടു അവർ ചാനൽ കേൾ പ്രാങ്കയുടെ ഒരു പുതിയ എപ്പിസോഡിലേക്ക് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് എല്ലാവർക്കും സ്വാഗതം. നമ്മൾ കിട്ടിലെ ഒരു പിക്കപ്പ് പ്രാങ്കാണ് ചെയ്തിരിക്കുന്നത്.
Hi,
Hi.
what's your name?
Why?
I just simply asked. You don't have any name?
No. Why should I say no?
Because I'm just coming. I didn't see anyone. I see that you are sitting here alone, so that I asked you. Can you say your name? Can you say?
Okay. My name is Julie.
Julie. Where are you from?
Why you want to know about that?
Because I am from Kerala. From outside, I don't know anyone here, and I think that I just came in a wrong location. So that I asked you. Where are you from?
I'm from Delhi.
Delhi. Oh, you are also an outsider.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, are you studying here?
Yeah.
Stu-
Actually, I came to meet my friends.
Friends. Yeah. Oh, you have so many friends here. And I want to ask you one thing. Why are you simply sitting here and in a very sad mood? What happened? What happened?
I can tell you.
Why? Now we had met each other and
No.
now we became friends now.
I was talking. That we became friends.
I'm a poor innocent guy. I don't have any friend in this Bangalore. In my place also I am very alone. That I just seen I wander here and I just see that you are the only person who's sitting here alone. So many people are there laughing, playing. Some others are sitting there, but I had seen you that you are here sitting alone with a very sad mood. So that I asked you. What happened?
I got breakups. That's why.
Breakup. Oh. From your boyfriend is in Delhi or in Bangalore?
Why you want to know that? He's from.
Now we are just friends now.
No, it doesn't mean that we are friends. So I can tell you everything.
Okay. Do you had food? Morning breakfast?
No.
Why are you simply here sitting and being sad? Don't think that I am a mad guy. I don't have any friends here or there. When I came here, I just saw you. Julie, I want to. It's not an advice, just hear it. Life is a race. We must run. If we stop somewhere, others will pass us, and our opportunity will be gone. So we must run faster than them. Okay. Breakup is not the end of the life. It's just an what to say memory. That's all. Don't be so sad and don't be think about this. I noticed that when I enter the park, everyone here and there is sitting is laughing, playing, and wandering here and there. But you are the only person here sit like a sad mood, and I saw that you are very sad from your face. So that I came here and asked you. I also have no friends. Don't worry, Julie. Breakups are what to say. It's just an memory for us. And you want to understand one thing that this breakup will make us more stronger. Don't think that it will break us down. Do you know the meaning of breakdown? What is breakup? Breakup means you want to break your limitations and go upwards. Do you understand? You want to break all your limitations. When you love someone, there will be so many limitations. When you break up, means you have to break your limitations and go up. Move to your life. And don't be sad and sit like this. Why are you not eating food? What happened?
Not feeling to have it.
Having. Yeah, Julie, these like so many things will happen in your life. How old are you?
You're also not saying. Why should I say?
Why should I say? I think you must be 22 or 21. That's only it. It's just a starting of life. You want to enjoy more. Do you know Malayalam?
No.
No. Malayalam, I am from Kerala. We use their language Malayalam. We are called Mallus. In Malayalam, what do you know? This breakup, what is called, you know? That is called a tape.
What? Tape?
Yeah, tape. That means tape means what to say? When you look at that, there is a building is construction. Their cements are pasting to bricks to join. That pasting process is called Malayalam tape. That means a boy or girl paste another boy or girl in his whole life. You get it? That's only life. In boys, if a boys do this tape, they are called tape-karan. If a girl do this tape-kari, adava or tape petti. Tape petti means iron box. Iron box is used for ironing. That means for make our shirts warmer. Yeah, like that. What is the name of your boyfriend? No problem. Huh?
Nothing.
No problem. Look at there. Two cats are fighting. I think they are in love. Look at it. I think they are in love. They are fighting each other. Maybe I think they are. I think he found his another boyfriend. That's why they are quarreling. Look at them. I think it will end in a kiss. Sure, it will end in a kiss. Look at that. Now you are happy now. This much only life. Don't sit in here and become very sad. What to do? My life is gone. Oh my God, my whole life is gone. What will I do? He left me. He is the guy who get here to study. So leave it. And you want to understand one thing: real boys will not cheat. Fake guys are there. You had escaped from him. If you married him, just imagine if you married him and after that he do like this, what will you do? What will you do?
After that, I can't do anything.
I can't do anything. So now it's a great chance to think another. You want to move on. Why you are simply sitting and you said that, oh, my life is gone, what to do? Rise up. In Kerala, these breakups are considered as in a comedy way. It's an usual thing. In Kerala, you can see that one day one boy will go with one girl, and another day they both will go with another two guys. Like that only. We all are youth. And Julie, can I get your Insta ID? Why na? My parents had said me that you should always follow your dreams. So for following you,
Oh, I'm your dream.
when I get to Bangalore, I decided that I must find a dream girl in my life. When I saw you, I just see that you're very cute.
Thank you.
How did that guy left you? I don't know that. How did that guy left you? You look awesome. We both are a few minutes ago strangers. Now we become friends. That's life. Just think about it. One girl also left me in Kerala. But I didn't get sad because this is not life. Life is many more, and what to say, so many things are in life. We want to enjoy. We want to explore it. Do you like Kerala? Do you heard about that state? Yeah, it's a God's own country. There are so many places to see, and there are so many, what to say, full of good and very kindful hearted persons. Your eyebrows are very good to see. Is this boots?
Yeah.
How much for this boots?
7.
7,000.
No, 700.
700 rupees for this boots.
Yeah.
I will give you 200 extra. Huh?
What?
And come into my life.
No. Sorry.
I think you're a little short. I will give you 200 rupees and buy some more higher boots.
No, I'm okay with that.
No, when I marry you, we can be a standing position, straight to straight. That's why. Then, Julie, what are your plans? Future plans?
Till now, I did not decide anything.
Don't worry, just marry me and come with me.
Oh, no.
I will get you to the God's own country.
No, I'm okay here.
Okay, here.
Yeah.
Okay, no problem. I will marry you and settle here.
No.
I am not stylish. Is that reason?
No. No, you're okay.
No,
You're
I'm
good.
okay.
Yeah.
Then why? Why the chakra? Why? Do you know the meaning of chakra? In our Kerala, chakra means a sweet lady. Sweet. A sweet called chakra. And we call girls chakra means they are that much sweet. You are very sweet, charm, little cute girl.
Are you really saying or simply you're saying?
No, I am saying really.
Okay, no problem. Thank you.
You are my, what to say, the girl who come in my dream, like you.
This is not me, I know that. Maybe you have.
Maybe you have. I want to ask you one thing then. How much for this hairband?
What happened?
Do you, sorry, that clip?
I don't know. It's a gift.
Gift. I will gift you more bigger. Come to my life.
No. Thank you.
You have a very wonderful hairstyle. What a stylish look. And why you wear this coat here? Is it feeling cold?
No, at night only.
At night only. There is a two type of, want to say, two persons can wear a coat. Do you heard about that? A single coat can wear two persons. I will buy for that. You can come inside my coat and pay for it.
No.
Okay. Can I get your number?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. Say me. I will note it.
0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
What is that? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Say the real. Say the real number. 854. The flight is going to 1520. No problem. You say no problem. What? Okay. Say.
8292
Okay.
32
Okay, I will call you. Are you coming to Kerala with me? One day I will come with my parents to see you. Okay.
No, I'm okay here.
Okay, I will come here and settle with you.
No.
Okay.
No.
Okay, Julie. Now I am leaving. One day I will come to pick up you. Okay, you must come. Now you are happy.
Yeah.
Yeah, now you are very happy. Okay. Do you see prank shows?
Hmm.
Yeah. My name is Kicho and I am a YouTuber from Kerala. This is a pick up a girls prank. Do you see that camera there?
Yeah.
Yeah. You didn't see that camera before? No. Give it Tata. 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 Now you are happy.
Yeah.
Don't feel sad, okay, in life.
Okay.
Many things will happen. Just go on. Okay. You will get a very good guy next time. Okay, can you say to my subscribers, please subscribe our channel KL Prank. Please.
Okay, guys.
Please subscribe our channel KL Prank.
Okay, what you said, that is fair.
Can you say please? Julie. My dog name is also Julie. Can you say please?
Okay, please subscribe their channel and like it.
Yeah, thank you. KL Prank.
Okay.
Okay, bye bye.
Bye.
അപ്പോൾ ഗായ്സ് നമ്മളിപ്പോൾ ഇവിടെ വന്നൊരു പിക്കപ്പ് റാങ്ക് അടിപൊളിയായിട്ട് ചെയ്തിരിക്കുകയാണ്. ഈ മരത്തിൻ്റെ ഒക്കെ ചോട്ടിൽ ഇരുന്നാണ് ഷൂട്ട് ചെയ്തത്. അതുകൊണ്ട് പെട്ടെന്ന് പുള്ളിക്കാരിക്ക് കണ്ടെത്താൻ സാധിച്ചില്ല. ഇടയ്ക്കിടയ്ക്ക് ഇവിടെ ഹെലികോപ്റ്റർ, അടുത്ത എയർപോർട്ടുണ്ട്, ഹെലികോപ്റ്ററും വിമാനവും ഒക്കെ പോകുന്നത് കൊണ്ട് ഇടയ്ക്കിടയ്ക്ക് സൗണ്ട് ഡിസ്റ്റർബ് ആകുന്നുണ്ട്. എന്തായാലും ഞങ്ങൾ ആ ഒരു സൗണ്ട് അങ്ങനെ വന്നതിന് ക്ഷമിക്കുന്നു. ഞങ്ങൾക്കൊന്നും ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റത്തില്ല. ബാക്ക് സൈഡിൽ നിന്ന് ഫ്ലൈറ്റ് പൊങ്ങിക്കൊണ്ടിരിക്കുകയാണ്. ജൂലി ഇപ്പോഴും ബാക്ക് സൈഡിൽ തന്നെ ഇരിക്കുകയാണ്, സങ്കടത്തോടെ ഇരിക്കുകയാണ്. എന്തായാലും നമ്മൾ ഇന്നിപ്പോൾ 2ാം ദിവസമായിട്ട് നമ്മൾ അടുത്ത കിഡിലൊരു പ്രാങ്ക് ചെയ്തിരിക്കുകയാണ്. ഇനി അടുത്തൊരു പ്രാങ്ക് വരുന്നത് വരെ മൈ ഡിയർ ഫ്രണ്ട്സ്, നമുക്കിനി വെറൈറ്റി ആയിട്ട് കാണാം. മൈ ഡിയർ ഫ്രണ്ട്സ്, ബൈ ബൈ.